Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I can tell you've done a lot of work in here to get to this point.
It took me so much to get to where I'm at.
Oh, yeah.
And there's so much more to be done.
So where did you start FPL-wise before you got all of this work in? Where did you start at with the power you're running? You know where you were before and now, FPL-wise?
Dude, I started out my first build, I did like a 130 or something on 210s. And then it just progressed and I wanted to get louder, louder, louder. In this car, and then it just turned into this.
Yeah, man.
And then there's still so much work to do.
Yes, sir.
So that's 3 ZB518s with Corey Dean, 3-ton kits in them.
Nice.
It's all one Crossfire 16K, and I have 2 more 16Ks to put on them. So,
Wow. 2 more 16Ks.
so one 16K first
Okay.
that's where I'm going to come out for the next season. So.
Awesome. Thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.